Hi, good evening. See you again with Captain Oka. So this evening, in this video, we are going to discuss a bit about the use of though. And the use of though that I'm going to discuss this evening is when you use it at the end of the sentence. So there are two reasons why we put though at the end of the sentence. First is that to show appreciations. Usually we use the word though at the end of the sentence at the end of the sentence when somebody is offering you something and then you just refuse it or decline it, and then but you show your appreciations because you are being offered already. So that's why a lot of time we use this word, the word though, after the word thanks. For example, would you like some coffee? While I've had mine, okay, I drank some coffee already. Thanks though. So in this case, you are trying to appreciate the offer which was given by the speaker. Or the other reasons why we use though is there just very much the same as the word but, to show that one sentence has contrast ideas with the second sentence. For example, when you say that, well, she's very smart, okay? She's arrogant though. So the word arrogant and smart, in terms of connotations, they have like contrast ideas. So in this case, the word though, okay, is just very much the same as the word but. However, the word but is usually put before the clause, but the word though is put at the end of the clause. So that is two reasons when to use the word though at the end of the sentence. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.